Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to show you my airdrop farming application. We launched new airdrops, so this is the version 2.0. So I want to share with you step by step everything that you can do with my application. Now we have new updates on the app, and you know, if you have been following my channel, that we have two subscriptions. One to my private Discord and another to my airdrop application. And today, July 1st, we just launched new updates on my app that I want to share with you. So let's go and start diving into what you can do with my airdrop application. First of all, if you want to subscribe, go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Here you can click on subscribe now and you will be sent to a form. Here you have the instructions how you can pay the subscription. It's really cheap and you can select what subscription do you want. You have monthly subscription for $20 and $40. An annual subscription to my Discord is $100 and $150 for both things. So if you already have your subscription confirmed, you go to login. Here you will put your username and password, of course, and then you just click login. So here we have some of the new updates. So now you will be starting the application journey in a new dashboard. This new dashboard is very easy to understand. We have first some sections and buttons here that will send you to another parts of the app. But basically you have now 4 different sliders with different airdrops that you can do. Are divided by the newest. So these are the newest airdrops that I covered. Recommended, these are my personal recommendations for airdrops to do. Then you have popular, and this is the order of the airdrops that all the people that is using the app are farming most. And then you have a specific slider for free airdrops. So if you don't know what airdrops start to do, you can follow any of these airdrops here from this specific list according of your needs or your interest on farming. And down here we also have one slider with all the tutorials that could help you to do a very good farming strategy. Not only how to not be blacklisted, how to use multiple wallets, and the most important one, how to farm airdrops with multiple wallets. This is the ultimate tutorial using proxies and multiple Chrome profiles. So here in the dashboard you have everything to start. So let's say that you want to start here and you go and say let's do scroll session 1. First, if you are already following, you can see that in one of your wallets at least you already are doing this airdrop. If not doing this airdrop, if any of your wallets, you are going to see that says it's not following. So to start doing this, if you don't create a wallet first, you need to go here and create a wallet. Because I am using farm strategies, what I do is I put the ID of my wallet that I am using right now to farm airdrops. So my wallets usually are going to see something like this, so I know what wallet I am doing. So please first save your wallet, and you can see in this testnet I have many wallets already. Of course you can edit the name of your wallet if you want, or you can remove this wallet completely. Remember that if you have airdrops doing inside this wallet, you are going to remove everything. So let's go to the dashboard and let's say that I want to do scroll sessions 1. So I click on track, then I need to select in which wallet I want to start doing this. Let's say that you want to do it in all the different wallets. You have also another option on your wallets section to copy this airdrop into all your wallets. But here you need to first select the first wallet that you want to do this. So let's select one of my wallets that I have here active. Click on confirm. And now you are sent directly to the activity of that airdrop. So now you will be starting to do the scroll session 1 airdrop in the MetaMask Chrome Mac wallet that you selected. And here what you need to do just is follow the step. The first tag, you can click here and you can see bridge to a scroll. So go to the link, bridge to a scroll. Once you have done, you just need to click it. When you see that you have this R, that means that this is a recursive task, meaning that you will need to do this more than one time. So right now, if I click it, you can see I have a +1. If you want to have a reminder of this task to do it in the future, you just need to active here the alarms, select for all wallets with the airdrop, set alarm on, and then click confirm. Now you can see that the alarm is green, so you will receive a reminder on your email that you need to do this task. The reminder email is sent 2 times per week, so you will have all your alarms all together in one email 2 times per week. So remember that you can activate the alarm to any task that you want, and you can do it for one wallet or for all your wallets that are doing this airdrop. Just click confirm and you will have your alarm activated. Of course, always remember to come here, click the diskette here. This is so of my generation, but click here to save all your changes in your application. Now, after you do that, you move to the second task, and this is about the scroll sessions. So you need to accumulate points. This is a link to a blog that you need to read to understand how this airdrop works. After you do that, you continue doing the steps on your wallet. Now you can go to ambient finance and enter liquidity, and doing this you will be filling all the different points for this task. You also can write some comments down here if you want to remember something. For example, I just have 0.2 ETH in this wallet. So if you want to have some reminder of something, you just need to write it there, and you will now click save, and that comment is going to be saved. You can see it on the next days too. Now you can see that here we have a custom 11 tasks. You can put anything that you want. After you have the 10 tasks, you can just click add a new custom task. Let's say that I saw that you can farm a new NFT for sessions. So you just put farm scroll session NFT, and you can put the link where you need to do that. So you just click add task, and now you are adding more tasks that are particularly for your airdrops. You can see how the airdrop task here can grow over time and put more tasks that you find online over time. But this is basically how you apply to an airdrop. Now, if you want to see more airdrops, you just need to be inside one of the wallets and click on add airdrop. And here you can start typing and you will see all the airdrops that you can do. Remember that all these airdrops are still active. We check this weekly, so we clean up everything here from the list. But here you can scroll for all the available airdrops that you can do right now. Here is a complete list, so just click on add airdrop, and you can see all the airdrops that you still can do. For example, I can go and check for the DBank airdrop, click on add, and now you will see that I have the DBank airdrop here. This is a dashboard of your airdrops in this wallet. You can easily see how many tasks do you have to do in each of the airdrops, and the ones of course in green are the ones that you already did. So for example, if I go to this ZkSync XBank mainnet, you can see that I did already this task in the past and I have some missing tasks. And of course, if I want to remove one of the tasks that I did, I just need to click remove, and you can remove the confirmation of the that task was done. So playing like this is super useful for airdrops. You can do and apply all the airdrops that I am covering in my YouTube channel and my social medias, because all those airdrops are here in my airdrop application. If you also want to create a custom airdrop, you can do it. Let's say that you saw from another influencer an airdrop that I am not covering. You just put here the name of your airdrop, and here you can start adding the task. Let's say bridge Ethereum to new monad airdrop. Let's say that monad is already in mainnet. So here you can start putting all the different tasks. You can check here if it's a one-time task, or you can uncheck it and this will be a recursive task. So just click add task and keep adding your task here into your new custom airdrop. After you are okay with the task that you added, just click add custom airdrop. This is name my custom airdrop. Let's put 111 and click on add custom airdrop. This way you are saving this airdrop. Now when you are in your wallet, you can click on add airdrop and your custom airdrop is going to be there. So you can just click it and start doing that custom airdrop. So just click the custom airdrop and you can see the task that you created with the recursive task and all the same functionality that we have for another airdrop. So this way my application is not restricted only to my content. You can use it for your own crypto airdrops that you see with another influencer. This wallet is to go to the wallet list. The pen here is to go to the custom airdrops that you have and create new ones. This is the airdrop link. So here you can go to the airdrops when you are inside the wallet. And we also added this. This is a claim section. So when you click there, you will see all the information of the last week that we covered on claims. So for example, last week we had the claim for Blast airdrop, the Zeta market airdrops, Izumi Sekai airdrop distribution, So everything is going to be listed here, so I recommend you to check this page at least once per week so you don't miss any of the airdrops that you are doing. When one airdrop is already finished, it's going to be removed from the dashboard and from the airdrop list, so you can be patient and keep an eye here on the claims page at least one per week so you get all the information of the airdrop claims. So here we are listing everything, guys. And finally, here we have the icon for Discord. So if you have my application, of course, you also have access to my private Discord. So from here, you just click the icon and you are sent to my private Discord. So guys, these are the updates of the application and some of the functionality. Remember that if you want to copy, for example, airdrops from one wallet to another, you can just click here and select the airdrops that you want to copy. You can also select the destination wallets that you want to copy that. Let's say that I want to select here also the new wallet that I created first, and you can select what do you want to transfer. Do you want to transfer the activity? Do you want to transfer also the comments, transfer also the alarms? So you can click everything or just the basic task, and then you just click confirm, and all the information now is going to be in the wallets that you send. Here you can see how I have now the 3 airdrops with the progress that I have in the wallet that I copied. So guys, that is all for this coverage. Remember, we have a new dashboard here to select the airdrops that you want to do. We also have the wallet creation, like always. This is going to help you to farm airdrops. I am usually farming with 12 or 20 wallets, so my application really helps you a lot to have everything organized. Doing this and using proxies and profiles, you have everything that you need to farm, even if you want more than 100 wallets super easily. Remember, you can create your custom airdrops, or you can just add airdrops from the list of airdrops. These are all the available airdrops that you can do right now, and you can check the claim page if you want to see what are the last claims to do in the airdrop space. Always remember to click here to save all your changes. And that will be all for this video, guys. This is a coverage of my application, how it works, how you can farm airdrops using multiple wallets, or even with one wallet you can have hundreds of airdrops active there in one wallet only. It's going to help you anyways and save you 40-50% of your time applying to airdrop. Remember, if you want to join my private community and or my application, go to cryptocurrencystate.net, click on subscriptions, and here you have all the information that you need to read and understand what are my subscriptions and what you can find there. So just click on subscribe now and you will be sent to my private form, and from there you can register to the app and to my private Discord. Guys, that will be all for this video. This is my airdrop farming application version 2.0. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and we keep doing updates to the application, guys. So in the future we are going to have more functionality to make your life easier applying to airdrops. So subscribe now and don't forget to check this video that YouTube recommends you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.